Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I would love for you guys to subscribe to my channel because I have some great videos on the way. I go by the Fashion Goddess. Hit that notification button or bell so you'll be notified when I do upload new videos like this one. So today's video is going to be a makeup tutorial, or should I say a eyeshadow tutorial on this look that I did. And I just used the Urban Decay Naked Cherry palette. This is my first time using this palette, and I must say that I think I like it. I got some cherry lips vibes going on. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, then you need to stay tuned and keep watching. Hey guys, so my eyebrows are already done. I have the Naked palette here, as you can see. I will be priming my eyes with the LA Pro concealer in the color Fawn. Then I'll just be blending that in with the Real Technique brush. I'm not sure which brush it is. Then I will be going into that palette. The first color is Juicy. And I'll just be placing Juicy above the brow bone and just blending that in. And blend to the gods, honey. Blending is the key. So next, I'm going to go in with that color Bling, and I'm just going to put that color into the crease. And like I said, blend, baby. Going over to the other eye, I'm doing the same thing. Blend, blend, blend. So I'm going in my next color, which is Devilish, and I'm putting that on the outer corner of my eye. And these apply very smoothly and blend very well. I do like this palette, you know what I'm saying? So my next color I'm going into is Feels, and I'm just placing that right in the middle. Now I'm going to, cut my crease with that same Pro concealer in the color Fawn. And then, once you get your crease to how you like it, I'm going in that next color, which is Bang Bang, and I'm patting Bang Bang over the lid. I did spray some setting spray to get it to show up better, because I think it was the brush that I used. That brush wasn't giving me the color pigmentation I needed. So I think I took my MAC brush. I don't know which number it is. I forgot. I'm sorry. And then I'm taking my NYX Epic ink pen, and I'm just going to do my wing with that. And this is my favorite eyeliner, by the way. And then I'm just putting some mascara on my eye, and I'm going to do my lashes off camera, and I'll be back. Bam, lashes on. Going back in there. I think I went in, let's see. I went in Young Love, and I just placed that above my crease to give it some more color to pop. So moving on, I'm just highlighting my eyebrow bone with the Master Chrome Rose Gold, I believe. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with my LA Pro Orange Concealer, Correcting Concealer, and I'm just going to put that all over my dark spots and my moles. And then just blend that in, and I'm using the Real Techniques Crush brush sponge from the Crush Brush collection. Now I'm going in with my Nars Sheer Glow Foundation, and I'm just patting that all over the face. Blend, 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 honey. Yes. So once you're done blending your foundation, I'm going to take my LA Pro Concealer, and this is in the color Warm Honey. And I'm just going to highlight. If y'all hear music in the background, y'all, that's my baby watching Elmo. So I hope y'all can still hear me without a problem. So yeah, I'm just going to highlight underneath my eyes, my chin, my forehead, and my nose. You can highlight wherever you please. Those are the spots I like to highlight. And then, you know, blend it in. I'm going in with the Morphe Showmance Brontour. And I'm just bronzing my forehead. Yes, yes. Now I'm going to contour. And I'm just going to contour my cheeks. And I really like this contour highlight kit or bronzer. Then I'm going in with the Airspun powder. Just going to place some powder underneath my eyes, under my chin. I'm going to go on the side of my cheekbones, and also I'm going to do my forehead. So I'm going to contour my nose, going back into that Morphe, what is it, Brontour palette. And then I'm going in with the NYX Cherry Sky Lip Pencil. And this, I love NYX pencils, like lip pencils, especially the Suede. They glide on so easy. So I'm just lining my lips. Then I'm going to go in with the NYX Cherry Sky Liquid Suede Lippy. You know, I'm trying to get y'all that little cherry lips popping, because I didn't get the lipsticks from this collection, just the eyeshadow palette. And this is a matte color, but I'm going to clean it up. Then I'm going to take Aaliyah Brooklyn Born This Way. I'm sorry, I think it's Born This Way, or Aaliyah Brooklyn Born, I'm sorry. And I'm just going to place that in the center of my lips just to give it a little shine. And then I'm going to dust this powder off. Yes, look at that, look at that. So I'm going in for the inner eye, and I'm going to use the color Turn On. And I'm just placing that in my inner eye. I'm spraying my brush to put some of that highlight on, that Master Chrome highlight that I used earlier. And then I'm putting some on the bridge of my nose. And I'm going in with the NYX black eyeliner, and I'm just lining my eyes. And yeah, just keeping it simple underneath the eyes, not adding any other color, just a black liner. Going back in to touch up my lips. And voila, baby. Put some of that Dewy NYX setting spray on. And we are all done.